Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I am Atika Swanda with NPM 24270110004. Today, I will be presenting my research and title is Synthesis and Potency Study of Samdibutyltin for dinitrobenzoate compounds as corrosion inhibitor for mild steel hot roll plate in dimethyl sulfoxide acid chloride solution. This work was conducted as part of the requirements for the professional English course at the University of Lampung. This is a reference journal. I choose this article for this text. Introduction. Mild steel is a type of carbon steel with a low carbon content is 0.022 until 0.3%, but mild steel is highly susceptible to corrosion, particularly in acidic environments. Corrosion leads to global economic losses exceeding $2.5 trillion annually. It contributes to significant safety hazards as evidenced by the Piper Alpha disaster 1988, which resulted in 167 fatalities due to a corrosive gas condensate pump failure. So the disaster led to global regulatory changes emphasizing stringent corrosion monitoring and management practices. Various strategies have been developed to mitigate corrosion, including material selection, electrochemical methods, coatings, and corrosion inhibitors. Among these approaches, the use of corrosion inhibitors is considered the most effective, as organotin. Organotin compounds contain at least one covalency with a thin bond and demonstrate potential as corrosion inhibitors. The current study focuses on the synthesis, characterization, and corrosion inhibition evaluation of organotin carboxylate derivatives are dibutyltin 4D2 nitrobenzoate, dibutyltin 4D3 nitrobenzoate, and dibutyltin 4D4 nitrobenzoate. However, studies on the corrosion inhibition of dibutyltin for the nitrobenzoate remain limited. The specific mechanism and effectiveness of this compound as corrosion inhibitors have not been fully understood or optimized, creating an essential gap in knowledge. All the three synthesis compounds were characterized by spectroscopy techniques and also based on the microanalytical and physical data. The corrosion inhibition was evaluated with potential dynamic polarization technique on mild steel hot roll plate in dimethyl sulfoxide acid chloride solution. Research objectives are to evaluate the anti-corrosion inhibition properties of dibutyltin for the nitrobenzoate on hot roll plate might still in the metal sulfoxide acid chloride solution. To assess the effectiveness of these compounds compared to known inhibitors. To contribute to the development of new organotin for base corrosion inhibitors, providing insight into their applicability across various industries, and then to analyze the corrosion inhibition mechanism using electrochemical and surface characterization techniques. Experimental. Number one, reagent. A reagent used were of AR grade and were utilized without further purification. The reagents are dibutyltin for chloride, chloride acid, dimethyl sulfoxide, sodium hydroxide, 2, 3, and 4 nitrobenzoic acid, HPLC, petroleum ether, acetone, and methanol. And then instrumentation are elemental analysis, infrared spectroscopy, UV spectra, and NMR spectroscopy. Synthesis of dibutyltin for the instrument by two processes. The process one is dibutyltin for the chloride was dissolved in 50 milliliter of methanol and 0.8 gram of sodium hydroxide was added to the solution, and the reaction mixture was stirred for 45 minutes. Precipitate was filtered as a white solid and then was subsequently washed with double distilled water followed by acetone and vacuum dry. So 2.35 gram of dimethyl tin oxide precipitated was obtained. The process two of the process two is 0.374 gram of dibutyl tin oxide